Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are fine. Today I will teach you mathematics of grade 3. So today we are going to start our new topic, that is about comparing 6-digit numbers and ordering 6-digit numbers. First of all, let me tell you about comparing 6-digit number. Well, comparing two numbers means to identify the difference between the two numbers and to decide if one number is smaller than, greater than, or equal to other number. Use symbols greater than or smaller than or equal to for comparing the numbers. And let me tell you about ordering 6-digit numbers. We know that to put a given set of numbers in order means to write them from smallest to largest number, ascending order, or write them from largest to smallest number is descending order. First of all, we will learn about ascending order. Ordering or arranging the numbers from the smallest to the largest number. So starting from the smallest number, we arrange the number one after the other from the smallest to the largest. Just like these ducks are arranged from the smallest to the largest. And descending order means ordering or arranging the numbers from the largest to the smallest number. So I start with the largest number and then I move to the smallest number. Just like how these ducks are arranged from the largest to the smallest. Now let us see how we can arrange or order 6-digit numbers. So students, I will tell you some tricks to arranging 6-digit numbers. Trick alert 1 is count the number of digits in each number. The number with more number of digits is greater. What do we mean by this? So if I have a number like 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and I have an other number like 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. Now first number has 6 digits and next number has 5 digits. So the number having 6 digits will be greater than the number having 5 digits. So the first step is count the number of digit, and the number with more number of digits will always be greater than the number lesser number of digit. Now what is the second trick? If the numbers have equal number of digits, then compare the lakhs digit. If the lakh digit is greater, the number is greater. So we are talking about 6-digit numbers. Now here is 6-digit numbers. In a 6-digit numbers, the first digit is the lakhs digit. Then we take another 6-digit number. So these are two 6-digit numbers. So if I count the number of digits, the number of the digit are same. So what we will do? Well, we compare the lakhs digit. So the lakh digit in first number is 1 and in next number it is 8. Now 8 is greater than 1, so the 870001 is greater than 124657. So if the number of digits are equal, we compare the first digit, that is the lakhs digits of the two number, and the number greater first digit will be greater. Now move to trick alert 3. If the lakh digits are equal, then compare the 10,000 digit of the given numbers. If the 10,000 digit is greater, the number is greater. So what does this mean? This means that if I have a number like 850124, it is a 6-digit number. And then I have another number like 810649, which is also 6-digit number. So the number of digits are equal. Now we compare the lakhs digit. We see that the lakh digits are also same. It is 8 for both the number. So we move to the 10,000th digit, which is 5 here and which is 1 here. Now 5 is greater than 1. Now 5 is greater than 1. So 850124 is greater than 810649. So if the lakhs digits are equal, we move on to the 10,000s digits. Move to next trick. If the 10,000s digits are equal, then compare the thousands digit of the given number. If the thousands digit is greater, the number is greater. And then trick number 5 is, if the thousands digit are equal, then compare the hundreds digit of the given number. If the hundreds digit is greater, the number is greater. Similarly, I keep on moving to the next digit. That is, after the 100 digits, we compare the tens digit. If they are also equal, then we compare the ones digit. So in this way, we can compare 6-digit numbers. Now, in this manners, using these rules and these tricks, we can compare 6-digit numbers and we can arrange them into ascending and descending order. Let us see how. So we need to arrange these numbers in ascending order. Now ascending order means smallest to the largest. So I need to start with the smallest number and move on to the largest number. So the first step is to count the number of digits. So the first number has 6 digits, second number has 6 digits, and the third number has 5 digits, fourth number has 6 digits, and fifth number has 6 digits. So we have 4 6-digit numbers and 1 5-digit number. Now I know that any number having 5 digits will be smaller than any number having 6 digits. So the 97814 is smallest number among all these numbers because it have 5 digits. It is the only number that have 5 digits. So 97814 is smallest number and it will come in a beginning because we are supposed to arrange the smallest to largest. So smallest number come in the beginning. So what is the next step? Next step is to compare the lakhs digit or the first digit of these numbers. So in the next number, the first digit is 2 and in third number, the first digit is 6 and the next number, the first digit is 6 again and in next number, the first digit is 2. Now 2 is less than 6, so the numbers having 2 as the first digit will be less than the numbers having 6 as their first digit. So 230996 will come before 685924. So the numbers starting from 2 will come before the number starting with 6 when we arrange in ascending order. So I bring the 230996 here. So this is how I write it. Now I compare the 238650 and 230996. Now I compare first digit which are same. The next digit is 3. So again they are equal. So I move on to the next digit. The next digit is 8 here and the third digit in next number is 0. Now 0 is less than 8, so 230996 is less than 238650, so it will become before. So this is how I can write it. Now what is left? So 685924 and 685309 is not compared yet, but what will be the last and which one will be second last? I need to check that. So again the number have 6 digits. The first digit is 6 in both the cases. So I move on to the next digit. The next digit is 8 at both sides. So again they are equal. I move on to the next digit. The next digit is 5 here. So again I move to the next digit. The next digit is 9 here and in next number it is 3 here. Now 3 is smaller than 9. So 685309 is smaller than 685924. So it will become before from this number. So this is how I can write the numbers. So these are the numbers arranged in ascending order. Now move to next. We are supposed to arrange these numbers in descending order. How can we do that? Descending means from the largest to smallest. So the first step is count the numbers of digit. So the first number has 6 digits, the second number has 6 digits, the third number has 5 digits, and fourth number has 6 digits, and the last number has 6 digits. Now the smallest number go at the end because we are supposed to arrange the numbers in descending order. So 96606 is smallest number. It will go to the end. So this is how I write these numbers. Now I need to arrange first 4 numbers. So I need to compare the first digit. In first number, the first digit is 8 here. In second number, the first digit is 6 here. In third number, the first digit is 8 here. And in fourth number, the first digit is 6 here. Now we know 8 is greater than 6. So the number having 8 as their first digit will be greater than the numbers having 6 as their first digit. So 846093 and 853779 is come in beginning. So this is how I can write it. Now we compare 846093 and 853779. Which one is greater? 853779 is greater than 846093. So 853779 is come in the beginning. So this is how I write it. Now 652795 and 658190 have to be compared and arranged. So if I compare first digit of these two numbers, then 6 is equal at both sides. Then if I compare second digit, they are again equal at both sides. Then we compare third digit. The third digit is 2 and 8 here. Now 8 is greater than 2, so 658190 is greater than 652795. So 658190 will come before 652795. So these are the numbers arranged in descending order from the largest to the smallest. So I'm sure you have understood today's topic. Hopefully there will be no confusion. And one more important thing, I have a home task for you. Students, you will solve the page number 33 on the countdown book. Well, that's the end of my lecture. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.